what you came for. Lightning strikes every time.
Hey, so my hair is so itchy right now because I've neglected it for so long, but as you can tell by the title, we're fixing that problem today. First things first, we're just going to be undoing the weird hairstyle. So my mom did the cornrows on the sides and then she decided she was tired. So I had to compromise and do braids in the middle because like I had no choice. I usually untangle my hair after every section because I just find it easier, but then I didn't add any untangling spray or water, which is bad because it breaks your hair. So I advise you to use like untangling spray or water when you do this. Finally, I do the right thing and use the AFRI TRUE softening multi spray, and it's for detangling, moisturizing and restoring your hair. It's infused with argan oils and jojoba oil. Wait, is it jojoba or jojoba or yoyoba oils? I'm confused. Please comment down below. But guys, look at all that gunk. Ugh, I feel so bad for neglecting my hair for so long. After detangling my hair, I head to the bathroom, then pour water to it to prep it for the shampoo. After all that, I'm going to apply the AFRI TRUE conditioning argan shampoo, and it's infused with argan oil and jojoba oil. Okay, I'm going to call it jojoba oil until you guys tell me how it's pronounced honestly.
Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at
And now we scrub like our lives depend on it. Guys, you will not believe how itchy my scalp was. It just shows how clogged it was, to be honest. So then I repeated the process of like rinsing and washing my hair like 2 more times. After that obviously comes the conditioner. I added the AFRI TRUE Ultra Nourishing Deep Conditioning Treatment, and it's infused with shea butter and argan oils. So yeah, I just massaged my scalp with it. Clearly your girl don't have a shower cap, so what do? You compromise and use a plastic bag. But yeah, I used the plastic bag to like deep condition my hair for a while. After the whole deep conditioning process, I comb my hair because it's much softer now, and yeah, it's less likely to break. And then I rinse. You see, personally, I have attachment issues, so I find it very, very difficult to cut off my split ends. But I highly suggest that you guys do it because like it's so important. Shrinkage! Now we're using the LOC method to moisturize our hair. The liquid was the water. My hair was already wet at this point, and the oil is the Amla Indian hair oil mixed with coconut oil, and the cream will be the anti-breakage treatment cream by AFRI TRUE. So do notice how I'm putting the cream towards the end and then building it up to the roots and not necessarily directly on my scalp, because when I do that I'm clogging my scalp pores. And now I braid the section that I was using. So I'll be doing this section by section and then braiding each section after that, just to stretch it. this is honestly why I get so lazy with my hair, guys. Oh my gosh, this took way too long. You can even tell by the lighting changes. It was now dark, and yeah, I look ghetto, but let's not talk about it.
Who knows why it's got
So here I had to brush out the white particles from the towel I had used the previous day, so this part is completely optional. And can we just talk about my afro? Okay guys, so I've put my hair in a high puff, and yeah, so I am done. I am hikey thinking of cutting my hair and starting a proper natural hair journey on my channel, because my hair has experienced a lot of heat damage and its texture is just not right. It's like frizzy and all that. That's a section or playlist I'm thinking of putting in my channel, where you're going to be seeing the real proper journey, where my hair is going to be starting from the shortest to the longest it can possibly be. The thing is, I already know all the right things I have to do. I was doing them the first year of my natural hair journey, but then I got lazy on the way and started blow drying my hair like crazy. So thumbs up if you think that's what I should do for my channel, where I'm going to be showing you the proper things to do to make your hair grow. I'm going to be doing the right things, and we're going to learn all things natural hair 4C texture. And also, I am not doing that immediately. I'm not going to be cutting my hair immediately. I want to do something super crazy with it, like maybe dye it purple or do a bob. Just, I want to have fun with my hair basically, because I mean, I have nothing to lose. It's already damaged, you feel. So yeah, keep that in mind. It's not going to be an immediate thing. I think I'm going to do it maybe after 3-4 months. That's when I'll actually cut my hair, after playing around with my hair first. But please do comment down below or thumbs up if you'd like to see that in my channel. But thank you so much for watching till the end. I love you so much. Bye.